Are you fed up with using a lot of energy and the delay of time when open the tire, or manpower is not enough as compared to machinery? And is using a T-spanner taking up too much time when there are rusting on the shaft of the tire? We have the solution. We have just invented a flexible shaft at the jaw of the handrail to ease your movement. We also invented a flexible spanner that can adjust the nut based on required size. And our product is rechargeable and it consists of portable battery. It is Dexterous cordless handrail. So, this is 3D dimensional view of our product. This is full measurement of Dexterous cordless handrail. This product features including flexible spanner, flexible shaft bit, and rechargeable. So, the flexible spanner can be adjusted due to the required size of nut. The product also comes with flexible shaft which can loosen or tighten the nut at difficult place. It is also rechargeable that it consists of portable battery with 20 volt of lithium ion. This is the illustration of internal part of Dexterous cordless handrail. What do we get if we purchase this Dexterous cordless handrail? It is time saving for the users when loosen and tighten the nut of the tire. It is also easy to handle as it is value to mechanic and construction worker while using this product without have to use manual tools. And it will smoothen the working process due to its features where it can ease the workflow process. Thank you from us.